Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Crypto Styling. Today I will share with you about a new brilliant project named as God of Meme Dollar Gomi. I will share all the detail about this project. You can easily be able to make money on it as their basically a sale is going to start. So must go and join their sale. At that time their price is low, you can buy it at a cheap price, but after that their price will explode and it will go to the maximum price and it will go for the bull market, and you can be able to get your profit by selling it at the highest price. Now I will show all the detail in this video, so stay tuned and watch full video. But before that, if you are new on my channel, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, press the bell icon so you will get a notification of my new videos in the future. So here you can see its name is God of Memes Dollar Gomi. Its name is given here. You can see memes make millionaires. So nowadays memes are going hitting the market, and these are making the people millionaire. You can see their contact address is given. Introduce, I will share with you there about basically introducing Dollar Gomi, the god of meme coin, where laughter meets the blockchain. Join our vibrant community of meme enthusiasts and crypto as we embark on a journey to redefine the meme economy. With Dollar Gomi, every joke become an investment, every laugh a transaction. Embrace the power of memes and ride the wave of hilarity to the financial freedom. Get ready to witness the birth of legendary meme coin that bound to make waves in the crypto world. Join the Dollar Gomi movement today. So here they tell about the introduction of our Dollar Gomi. That what is it? So it is a symbol of the god of meme coin. Their laughter meets a blockchain. So they are the vibrant community, and you can join their vibrant community for the meme enthusiast, and they are starting their journey to redefine the meme economy. And you can see they have given the make investment, like you can make investment as a joke. Their laughter is as in a transaction. All the details is given. You can see the logo is given, just the god of memes Dollar Gomi. So it is powered by the Pink Seal, Dex Skinner, and you can see Dex2, Radium, Solana, and Coin Market Cap, CoinGecko. Why Dollar Gomi? So now there is a 0.5. You choose Dollar Gomi, not another meme coin. So they are the difference which is given. They are the uniqueness. Meme Monarch. You can see while other meme coins may fancy themselves as king or queen, Dollar Gomi proudly declares itself the one and only god of meme. You can see others are saying the kings and queens, but it declares itself as a god of memes. And another why is the fleeting laughs. While other meme coins offer short life cycles, Dollar Gomi deliver divine comedy that transcends time space, ensuring the laughter for eternity. You can see it here. The third point is fading reality. You can see while other meme coins may bask in the temporary fame, but Dollar Gomi remains an everlasting coin. It memes data enhanced into the very fabric of the internet. You can see it here. The next point is join the cult. Instead of joining the masses, become a true believer in the divine hilarity of Dollar Gomi, where memes are not just jokes but a way of life. You can see further share with you about their roadmap, and I share with you all the points, all the unique points that differentiate it from the other meme coins. So you can see the roadmap is given. They have phase 1 community building, they have content creating. Phase 3, in phase 1 they have third step, which is first marketing, fair launch on Pinkcell, which is going on. I will share that with you. It will go to the 100x and it is a good project. You can see it here. In phase 2 they launch on Radium, Dex Tool, Dex Screen, trending, post launch marketing, CoinGecko's NCMC listing 5,000 holders, partnership 10,000 holders. In phase C, CX listing. Let's see what the next. So you can see their tokenomics is given. Project name is God of the Meme, symbol is Dollar Gomi. Total supply is given here. Private sale is no. They have tax, which is 0, means they have no tax on basically on the transaction like buy and sell. They have no tax on it, and you can see it here. All the details given. They have the biggest supply, which is given here. You can easily be able to make money on it. Their pre-launch will start tomorrow, and you can find them Twitter and Telegram link, which will be given in my video description, and I will share it with you too. You can see it here, and it is the 100x project, and you can experience this too. You can see it here. They have the basically fair launch, which is upcoming. Almost 16 hours are left, means you will get it the pre-launch tomorrow, and you will get the price at that time low, but in the future the price will increase and you will get the benefit in the future when you will sell it. Here comes the god of meme Dollar Gomi. Miss Dodge on 2013, Shiba in 20, and Bonk in 22, Pepe in 23. not miss a chance to enter in the God of Meme Dollar Gomi in 2024. They have the big partnership. They have the Dex Tool, Dex View, Dex Screener, and AVE Trending, Fast Track, CMC, and CG. No buy and sell. They have big market budget, Bitmart listing coming soon, and you can see token. Their address is given, their name is given, symbol, decimal, total supply, pool info is given here. They have the soft cap, which is 100 SOL, and starting and ending time is given. Liquidity percent, which is 51%. Their tokenomics is given as they have given 65% for the pre-sale, 30.5% for the unlocked, and liquidity is 31.49%. All the other details are given. So if I further go here, you can see it is not yet started, but it will start further. So you can also join their community and easily be a part of their community, so that you can easily be able to get all the news about this project and you can make money on it too. You can also join the Twitter. You can see God of Memes, their details are given, their Telegram, their basically Twitter is given. I will give all these links in my video description. Must watch and see it here. So thank you can see it here. Get ready to jump on board Dollar Gomi rocket ship. You can see the pre-sale launch. All the details about this is given. You can read all their details and must go and work on it too. You will get maximum profit in it too. So further, I will share all the details in this video. And if you have any query, you may comment below my video. And must if you want more information, you can contact to the basically site, the customer service on the Telegram or Twitter. So I share all the detail in this video, so stay tuned. And if you like my video, give thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching.